Babe? Baby? Hey. You okay? Come here. It's okay. I'm here. Yeah, I got your message. I came as soon as I could, baby. Just focus on trying to breathe, okay, baby? It's all you need to do right now. Don't worry about anything else. Come on, baby, try and breathe with me. Match my breath, okay? Here we go. In. Come on, baby. I know it's hard. Just try and focus on that, okay? Don't worry about anything else that's going on. Okay? Okay. Just keep breathing for me, okay, baby? I'm here. You're so sweaty and you're so hot. No. You don't need to explain yourself to me right now, babe. You don't need to explain it all. Just focus on calming yourself down, okay? That's it. Yeah, just keep breathing like that, baby. I know it's hard, but we'll get there together, okay? Don't be sorry, babe. You have nothing to be sorry for. It's okay. No, it really is okay, baby. No, don't worry about whatever I was doing, okay? It doesn't matter anymore. You're not being a nuisance. None of it's important, okay? The only thing that's important right now is making you feel better and calming you down, okay? Baby, you don't even have to say anything, okay? You got nothing to be ashamed of. I know you have anxiety, okay? I do too. That's it, baby. Just keep breathing like that and you'll be alright, okay? Now we'll talk about it in a second, okay? We'll talk about whatever it is you're going through. That's it, baby. Good girl. Come here. Just squeeze you a little tighter. Poor girl. It's okay. Do this because I love you, babe. I know you would do the same for me. You don't even need to explain yourself, baby. It's okay. It's my job to be here for you, okay? You feeling a little better? That's good. I'm glad to hear that, okay? It's the only thing that matters to me right now is making you feel better, okay? I'm not letting go of you for the rest of the night. Nah, it can wait. I'd much rather be here with you anyway. You just saved me a whole lot of work, you know. You know, you don't need to thank me, babe. Any excuse to get away from what I'm doing to be with you is good enough for me. I don't care if you're sweaty. It's gonna take a lot more than that to gross me out. Come on, babe. Let's get you in the shower, put on some pajamas, and just relax, okay? We don't have to do anything. You can just cuddle all night. Awesome. I love you, babe. Yeah, of course we can stay here for a little longer. Stay here as long as you need. Yeah, of course. Just keep breathing like me.